Hi everyone, in this demo I will show how the approval process works, including handling empty or invalid replies, approval status updates, and the required comment feature. I have submitted a record for approval and received this email. It asks for a response, either approved or rejected, and notes that comments are optional. First, I will reply with an empty text field and send it off. Let's see if an error is triggered. This is the error message received, notifying me that a response is required. Now I will reply with approved without including a comment. Let's see how the system handles this. As you can see, the system sent this error email indicating that a comment is required to proceed. Next, I will reply with approved and include a comment. This time, the approval will be processed successfully. Once approved, the approval progress screen updates to show the status as approved. Let me show you. And this is it. That's how the approval process works. From handling invalid responses to submitting approvals with comments and verifying updates on the approval progress screen. Thank you for watching.